Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04 version. Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and deploy applications quickly. Docker packages software into standardized units called containers that have everything the software needs to run, including libraries, system tools, code, and runtime. At first, check the OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I am going to update the repository by using apt update. Now I am going to install prerequisite packages for Docker. Now I am going to add GPG key. GPG key has been added. Now I am going to add the Docker repository to the apt source. Again I update the repository. Now I am going to check install from Docker repository or Ubuntu default repository. For that I am using apt cache. Docker C is not installed. Now I am going to install Docker C. Installation has been completed. Now I am going to check the status of the Docker. Docker status is active. This is a procedure to install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04 version.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.